Good morning, guys. Welcome to
Good
science
morning,
class.
Miss.
Let's talk about states of matter today. States of matter, that's our title. Let's begin by defining what matter is. What is matter, class? Matter. What is it? Matter. What do you think it is? Do you think this pen? Do you think this pen is matter? Do you think this scissor is matter? Or this page is matter? What do you think? What is matter, class? Do you remember? No?
No.
Okay. Matter is anything that occupies
Miss, we need to copy that.
space. Yes, please. Occupies space and has mass. It can be found on Earth. That's matter. Matter is anything that occupies space. Aha. I'm going to show you something.
So we need to copy that says what is matter.
Yes, you have to. You have to copy the white letters. It said matter is anything that occupies space and has matter. Question. So question, is this pen matter? This scissor is matter? This paper?
Yes.
They,
Yes.
they matter? Maria Fernanda, are you copying? You have to be copying the definitions of matter. What about this plastic bag? What about this plastic bag? Do you think this plastic bag is matter?
No.
No. You think no? Well, as you can see in the definition, says that matter is anything that occupies space. What happens if I have 100 of these plastic bags? Do they need space?
Yes.
Yeah. So a plastic bag occupies space. So it means it's what? It's matter. If I have 10 pens of this, I need a space. I have this pencil case, for example. Can I keep 1,000 color pencils here? 1,000 color pencils? Can I? Not right? It doesn't have to keep 100 color pencils in this pencil case is not possible because the pencil case is small, doesn't have a lot of space.
You can leave it in the bag that they come.
Yeah, but 100, that's a lot of color pencils. Do you think air is matter? Do you think air is matter?
Yes.
Alan, you are not copying. You have to copy.
Yes, Miss, I copy.
You have to copy, Alan. Did you copy?
Yes, Miss. I am copy.
Yeah, but let Alan talk to me. Alan, your microphone. Did you copy?
Yes.
What is the title?
States of matter.
Matter. Matter,
We
exactly.
need to copy that says air.
States of matter. Okay. And you have to copy the definitions of matter. You have to copy these, the definitions of matter. Okay, so my question was, do you think air is matter? Air, the air we breathe. Do you think it's matter?
Yes.
Yes. All of you agree?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, let me prove why air is matter. How is this bag? Full or empty?
Empty.
Empty. Okay, it's empty. What happens if I close this bag? How is it?
Matter.
Air.
Full or empty?
Full.
Full. Full of what?
Air.
Full of air. So air is occupying space because air needs or occupies space. It means that is matter.
Means we need to copy that in blue.
No, you don't need to copy what is in blue, but answer the question. What are the three states of matter? What are the three states of matter? I will give you an example. Water, you can change water. You can change water, or you can have water in three different forms.
Water and air. Air.
You can have water in a glass, and that water is liquid, right? If I have it in a glass and I drink it, that's liquid. What are the other three states? What are the other three states? Liquid is one.
Air.
The other two?
Air.
If it is air is, what is the name of the state? The name of the state is not air. It has another name that has three letters. Liquid.
Rain.
Say it again.
Rain.
No.
Sandra.
Think, please. Liquid.
Congelada.
What happened when it's
Freeze.
congelada? Frozen. When it is frozen, is?
It's so cold and you can freeze.
Yes, it's so cold. I thought you were giving me that correct answer.
Firme.
Yeah, it is. What about, look at this one. This is
If the
very,
water is too cold, like the Pole North, you can be ice.
yeah, and ice is solid. What is the last stage? What is the last stage? Liquid, solid, and?
Hot.
And?
Hot.
Liquid, solid, and?
Hot.
No.
Derretida.
But derretida or melted is liquid. Or semi-liquid. Si no está
The
tan
water
liquid.
is liquid.
Yes. Ice
Listen,
is
there's
solid.
nothing that I don't understand.
Ajá.
Why the water? Can I say in Spanish?
Why? I know that you can say it in English.
Why the water is mojada?
Wait.
Gas state.
Yes, gas state is the last one. Well, because, how can I answer this? Why water is mojada? Interesting.
Why the water is wet?
is wet. Húmeda. Mojada,
No, I
actually.
mean like mojada. When you shower,
Yeah.
you.
Exactly. Okay, I'm gonna search in internet to answer your question. So here, matter, you copy. Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. It can be found on Earth. And now, write the 3 states. Solid, liquid,
Means I write it in a space, the thing that you copy of in red,
and
but
gas.
I'm gonna copy that.
Copy.
Miss, we copy this.
Copy the 3 states. Don't copy the question in blue. Don't
Okay.
copy the question. Just copy the 3 states of matter.
Too late, miss. Too
Solid.
late.
Okay, no problem.
Because I already write it.
Liquid, and the last one, gas. Those are the 3 states of matter. Gas. When my mom, okay, when mom is cooking chicken soup, that chicken soup is boiling.
Miss, wait, miss, talking about chicken, they're making chicken.
And okay, when mom is cooking, you can see vapor. You can see vapor. That's water. It's vapor. It's gas. That's 3. Don't copy the question in blue. This one.
I can just say too late.
Just copy these 3 states. Solid. These are the states of matter. Solid, liquid, and gas.
Yes. Complicado, ¿verdad, jefe? Porque no es complicado. Es que yo me hablo
Like the solid is the wood. You cannot cut the wood with a hand.
Continue.
Es porque es fácil.
Continue, guys. Can I change this?
I don't finish. Yes. No, miss, I don't finish.
Okay. Excellent class. Let's continue. Don't copy. Liquids are the type of matter that changes shape depending on the shape of its container. If I add water in a glass, the shape of the water is gonna be like the glass.
Please copy that.
No, I said don't copy. If I add, if I pour water into this plastic bag, the water
I don't hear you.
Oh, sorry. You didn't listen to me? Guys, can you listen to me?
I listen.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. If I pour water in this plastic bag, the water is gonna have the shape of this bag. So the shape of liquids depends on that container. Okay? Depends on that container. Now, liquids do not keep their shape. Will take the shape of the container, will turn to gas when heated, will turn to solid when cooled. Molecules are loosely packed. That's what you see in this picture. The amount of water here, or the water is very close and has a lot of water, okay, in solid. In liquid, the molecules of water are loose. That's why it is liquid. And gas, it has less molecules of water. Now, solid are materials that have a defined shape and volume that stays the same. If I have this pen, it has a defined shape. It's not going to change. At least I break this pen into pieces. If I broke it apart, of course it would change. But one characteristic of solid is that it has a defined shape and volume, okay? Rocks and bricks are a good example of a solid. They have a rigid shape that isn't easily changed. These ones. This is a brick. All particles are very close together in a solid. Gas do not have a definite volume or shape. Gases cannot always be seen. Not always be seen. Like air. Can you see air, class?
No.
We can feel air. When the air is blowing, we feel the air, right?
Like
But we
I do
cannot
this,
see it.
I do this to a person. They can feel it.
Yeah, but they cannot see it. Energy from a stove heats up liquid water and creates steam. See, this one is steam that comes from
Oh, the things of the soup.
hot food creates steam. Oh, this is a spray. The clouds in the skies are made of water vapor. Okay, water that condenses in the air. This balloon floats thanks to hot air. Needs hot air.
And the candelas, when you like this, they
That
can see the
one is
gas.
a hot air balloon. Why hot air is not cold air or the normal temperature of air? Hot air is lighter, es más liviano, el aire caliente que el aire frío. El aire frío pesa más. So that's why these kinds of
That's why I get cold every day.
This balloon float thanks to hot air. Is full with hot air. Y como es más liviano, por eso flota. Y así se llama hot air balloon. Okay, gases. Particles of gases are very far apart and move freely. Están más separadas. In a solid, they are very close together. In liquid, they are loose, but has more water. But in gas, there are less particles of water. Now, let's do this to finish the class. I think we finished. Yeah, we still have 5 minutes. True or false? Matter can be solid. I am going to ask to a student. Alan, the first one.
We need to copy that.
No, it's just an exercise to reinforce the information we just reviewed. Okay. Alan, matter can be solid, liquid, or gas? True or false? Matter can be solid, liquid, or gas. True or false?
True.
True. Yes, that's correct. True. Adriana, liquids have definite volume.
No, false.
Adriana, liquids have definite volume.
False.
False.
Yes.
It is true. Because I can change this pen, for example. It has a definite, oh, I was talking about liquids. Liquids have definite volume. Yes, it's true. It doesn't have a definite shape. That's the false part. Okay, next one. Christopher. Is Christopher in class? No. No. Daniel. The number 3, gases has definite shape. Definite means a specific shape.
False.
False, exactly. It is false. Doesn't have a definite shape. Thank you.
Because like the gas is a disorder.
Yeah.
You don't have a shape.
A gas, the particles of water in gas state move freely, move wherever they want. That's why it doesn't have a definite shape like the scissor. When a person tells you, draw a scissor, you know what is the shape of a scissor because it has a definite shape, okay? Kristen, number 4, solids have definite volume and shape. Kristen. No one has to be copying, so no quiero a nadie agachado. Quiero que estén viendo la pantalla. El que no me está viendo la pantalla no está poniendo atención. Okay, so Kristen, solids have definite volume and shape. True or false?
False.
False. It is true. This scissor is solid, right? And if I say to you, draw a scissor, because you already know how a scissor is, you're gonna make the drawing because it has a definite shape. It has a definite volume because you cannot change this. At least you break it apart. Al menos que usted la quiebre, entonces va a cambiar su volumen. Pero siempre va a pesar. Lo que esta tijera pesa, lo pesa hoy, lo va a pesar mañana y lo va a pesar dentro de una semana. It's not going to change. At least you broke it apart. Okay, the next one is for Diego. Liquids. Diego, number 5. Microphone, please.
Yes.
Okay, number 5. Liquids have the ability to flow. Flow. Liquids have the ability to flow.
False.
It is true. Rivers, the water in rivers flow. Fluyen. So liquids have this
Like
ability.
you go to a pool and you got floaties, you can float.
Yeah, flow. But it's not float, flow, fluye. If I drop some water in an inclined plane, the water is not gonna stay there. It's gonna flow down, okay? The next one, it is. The particles of gas are closely packed with each other. So they are very close together in a gas state. It is false or true? It is true or false? What do you think? Particles of gases are closely packed together with each other.
¿Cómo se dice que se podía repetir la pregunta de nuevo?
Say it again, please.
Say it again, please.
This one, the number 6, the particles of gas are closely packed with each other. So it means that the particles of water are very, very close and in a gas state. That's true or false?
That's false.
False, yes. In a gas state, the particles are far apart and they move freely. They are not close. This is false. Thank you. Now, Gabriel. Is Gabriel in class? Gabriel?
Yes.
No. Yes? I didn't see him. If Gabriel, are you in class?
No, it's not Gabriel.
Okay. Jose Enrique, number 7. Liquids follow the shape of its container. Liquids.
True.
Oh, exactly. If you the liquid have the shape of the container, if you put it in a bag or in a glass, in a bottle, in a dropper, un gotero, por ejemplo, it has the shape of the dropper. Next one. Girl. Isabella, gases have defined definite volume and definite shape. Gases have definite volume and definite shape. True or false?
True.
It's false, sweetie. Because a definite shape, if I say to you, draw a gas, how are you gonna draw gas? As you want it, I guess.
Is it
like
invisible?
Well, depends. It could be. Most of the gases are invisible. Yes. So they don't have a definite shape because the particles of water moves freely. Gases doesn't have definite shape and does not have definite volume either. So, but it's false. Next boy, Sebastian. The particles of liquids are particles that they are very far from each other. Liquids. The particles are far from each other. very separated. True or false? Sebastian?
Yeah.
False. Sebastian, is Sebastian in class?
Yeah.
It's true or false? What do you think?
The parties of liquids have parties that are very far from each other.
Huh? True or false?
True.
No, it is false. In liquids, particle. I think I have been repeating this word many times. Particles, particles, particles. Please listen to the class. Particles. The particles of liquid has particles that are very far from each other. Particles that are far from each other are in gases, not in liquids. Liquids are not so crowded, but not so separated. And the last one is for Ivana. The water is a solid, Ivana?
Okay.
Water is a solid?
False.
It is?
No,
False.
wait.
Water is not
True
solid.
or false?
Water is not solid because we can see the water as a liquid, right?
Yes.
Because if we get it we try with a fork, it's not solid. We cannot get it up.
Okay, so let me take a picture for
Miss
my
Alanisa
attendance.
using one field.
For my attendance, because now
Smile.
how many kids I have? I have 17 kids.
Smile.
Smile. Okay, thank you so much. See you in 6 minutes at
Miss, Alan is using a filtro.
7:40.
Miss, how much is
Citrus,
we
guys.
can get?
Miss, Alan is using a filtro.
Okay, I'm gonna tell him later on. 11:40. See you in 5 minutes.
Bye,